Homeopathy, the belief that extremely diluted substances can treat diseases despite a lack of scientific evidence supporting its efficacy. Astrology, the practice of divining information about human affairs and terrestrial events by studying the movements and relative positions of celestial objects, contradicting established principles of astronomy and physics. Flat Earth theory, the belief that the Earth is a flat plane, rejecting overwhelming scientific evidence of its spherical shape and the principles of gravity. Creationism, the belief that the universe and all life were created by a supernatural being, contradicting the scientific consensus on evolution in the age of the Earth. Crystal healing, the pseudoscientific claim that placing crystals on or near the body can cure ailments based on the purported ability of crystals to channel healing energy. Phrenology, the obsolete belief that the shape and features of the skull could provide insight into a person's personality traits and mental capabilities. Psychic abilities, the claimed ability to perceive information beyond what is possible through the five senses such as telepathy, clairvoyance, or precognition without scientific validation. Hollow Earth theory, the belief that the Earth is entirely hollow or has a substantial interior space, contradicting geological and geophysical evidence. Biorhythms, the pseudoscientific theory that cycles of physical, emotional, and intellectual states can be predicted based on the date of a person's birth. Perpetual motion machines, devices that purportedly generate energy indefinitely without an external source, violating the laws of thermodynamics. Bigfoot or Yeti, the belief in the existence of a large ape-like creature known as Bigfoot or Yeti, despite a lack of conclusive scientific evidence. Pyramid power, the belief that the unique shape of pyramids can concentrate energy and provide various benefits, such as preserving food or sharpening razor blades. Ley lines, the pseudoscientific concept of invisible lines of energy crisscrossing the Earth, often associated with ancient monuments and spiritual sites. Polygraph lie detectors, the belief that polygraph machines can reliably detect deception, despite scientific evidence questioning their validity and accuracy. Iridology, the pseudoscientific practice of diagnosing health conditions by studying the patterns and colors of the iris in the eye. Therapeutic touch, a pseudoscientific technique that involves manipulating a patient's energy field by moving the hands over the body without physical contact, chiropractic. While some aspects of chiropractic care have scientific support, its foundational principle of treating diseases through spinal adjustment lacks evidence. Acupuncture, the traditional Chinese practice of inserting needles into specific points on the body based on the pseudoscientific concept of regulating the flow of life energy. Dowsing, the pseudoscientific practice of using a Y-shaped rod or pendulum to locate underground water, minerals, or other objects without a scientifically validated mechanism. Breatharianism, the belief that it is possible to survive without consuming food or water, relying solely on prana or vital life force from the atmosphere, contradicting the principles of human biology and physiology.